happens. We're going to be making a robot arm. The materials you'll need is a drill press or a drill, 7 brass, and 6 popsicle sticks of any size. You just gotta have popsicle sticks that are bigger than your drill bit. First, you want to drill 3 holes through your popsicle sticks. All of them should have 3 holes. One at one end and one at the other and one in the middle. I'll fast forward that after I finish making the first one. It might start hurting your hands, so I advise you to put on some gloves. I don't have any right now, so I'm gonna have to just do this. I'll fast forward now. Good tip is to buy popsicle sticks with PlayMake holes, but you can also just do it that yourself. For 2 of them, you only want 2 holes, one at the top and one at the middle. When you're done, you can set the drill press aside and start sanding. I'm not going to set it because my sand on the drill press, so time to sand. To assemble. Take the 2 posts with only 2 holes and put them on the side where you're going to be building. Take another 2 ones of these. This one needs more sanding, so now take one of your brads or Bradley nails and stick them in the end of scissors. Now that's what I did wrong. You put them in the middle and put a brad like this. It should work like this and do this. It doesn't really matter if it folds up like a bad way because we just want it to close at the end and that's all what matters. Now take your remaining pieces and line them up differently than the other ones. The ones that are on the bottom go on the top, and the ones that went on the top go on the bottom this time. It's so one side doesn't get too high and the other one gets too low. Then take your last brad of the 7, put it through the middle, and now you have an extendable claw type thing. It might not fold well, but it closes at the top. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.